used in aircraft, satellites, and spacecraft. These systems control, monitor, and manage everything from communication and navigation to display systems and flight control. Definition: Avionics are the electronic systems used on aircraft, spacecraft, and satellites for communication, navigation, the display and management of multiple systems, and the hundreds of systems that are fitted to aircraft to meet individual roles. Key functions of avionics: 1. Navigation, GPS, inertial navigation systems, INS, and radar. 2. Communication, radios, satellite communication systems, SATCOM. 3. Flight control systems, autopilot, fly-by-wire systems. 4. Monitoring and display, cockpit instruments, digital displays, glass cockpit. 5. Weather detection, weather radar, storm scopes. 6. Collision avoidance, TCAS, traffic collision avoidance system, ground proximity warning SYST.